Today's video tutorial, I'll show you how to go about to use the dual audio mode on your S22 Plus or even the S23 Plus Samsung phone, connecting two different brand speakers to your Samsung phone, and let's get started. When you're ready to do this, the first thing you want to do is connect the two Bluetooth speakers as you would connect any other Bluetooth device. So go ahead and turn on your speaker. This one is the Altec Lansing. Okay, and once it's on and in the Bluetooth mode here, you'll go into the Bluetooth settings of your S22 Plus or the S23 Plus and go into details, then turn it on from here. This way you can get a full view as to what's going on. So this is the first speaker. I'll connect it. Let's wait for the pairing request. Go ahead and press pair here. And it's going to tell you it's connected. Now, to know if you actually have the dual audio mode really working on your S22 or S23 Plus here, go ahead and connect the second speaker. This one is the TNG speaker here. It's a different brand. We'll turn it on. It's like a JBL knockoff.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay, and I'll start scanning again. Then when we detect that other speaker, we'll connect it. Get the request here, just wait for that. It may take a few seconds. And if it doesn't stay connected or what, just go ahead and scan again. If that happens, you want to get it connected. Just wait for that to pick up. So when you get that request here, go ahead and pair. And you will know that your Samsung phone has dual audio mode when you have both devices here shown as connected in the specific color here, okay? So they're both connected, that's dual audio mode. Now, the next thing you need to do now, use the quick access here, and you wanna see this here. You see where it says media output? You wanna make sure you have that there. If you don't see that for some reason, you can pull this down a second time and go into the edit icon with the pencil icon right here. Once you're here in this section here, just go down and make sure this option here, you'll tap on that. Make sure it's show when quick panel is collapsed. Okay, once it's shown, basically you will have the access to that. And you need to get there to actually activate the dual audio mode. So once you're in this section here now, you're gonna see the two connected devices, but only the last previously connected device will be selected. You'll have to select the second one here, which is the Altec Lansing speaker, and then also toggle them both like this here and get them to play together at the same time. Now I'll just go ahead and just quickly play something for you just to hear how it sounds. Just don't want to get any copyrights, okay? So let's go ahead and do this. So I'm sure you guys can hear it. I'm gonna bring this speaker here closer. And the way how this works, once they're both in dual audio mode, when you bring up the volume up key, you'll notice two panels here. One would be for a speaker. Don't know if you can make that out there. Okay, that's this one here. And then this is for that's for the other one there. Okay, so you can control them both like this here. And if you can see the two volume controls for both speakers, both devices, that means your dual audio mode is enabled. So if this guide helped you out in any way, you learned something about your S22 Plus or the S23 Plus, like and sub.